Hello everyone, this is Rajshekhar Gumadi. Today I am here to talk about the educational standards in medical coding. In my experience, I have interviewed hundreds, thousands of people. The greatest concern is people are just holding their certificates like CPC and CCS, but they don't have a sufficient knowledge to perform their job. In my prospect, holding a certificate is just a paper without having sufficient knowledge. We at Solutions 3x, being AHIMA and AAPC partner, we value the education and we want our students to perform better in their career and succeed in their career. Come and join Solutions 3x demo on every Saturday. There I will teach you and I will train you how to perform. Thank you so much.